Last night we had a huge storm, and this morning we walked outside and we saw this. Our corn got damaged, our bell peppers are leaning, our eggplants got hit, our tomatoes got bent, even our sorrel got damaged from the storm.
Dad, are you gonna die?
I don't know yet, but we're gonna go ahead and try to save everything. Alright, girls?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. The storm brought heavy rains and wind last night. Some plants handle it better than the others. The corn is actually bent because the soil got soft. The good news is, if the stalk isn't snapped, there's a chance it might recover. Alright, so we'll go ahead and stick them up, keep them upright, and then we'll go ahead and see what happens in a couple of days. You ready, baby girl?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Dad, let's have the pepper trees.
Yes, Sage, the pepper tree is leaning because it had a lot of peppers on there. Plus the rain make it fall as well. So we're gonna go ahead and stick it up on there. Let's go ahead and look at the eggplant to see what damage it have. You ready? Alright, let's go. Okay, Sage, so now we buy the herb bed. So we're just gonna assess the bed to see what damage we got. Our basil is growing up good. Our eggplant, it's not growing up good, but our next eggplant, we have a fruit in there. We have an eggplant making, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So our eggplant, it kind of lean down. So normally eggplant bounce back up quickly, but just in case it, we're gonna help it. We put in a stick. We're gonna stick it just in case, because as you can see, it's leaning on our parsley and it's killing the leaves of our parsley. So we're gonna go ahead and stick it up. All right. Sage is doing okay too. You see our sage, but it got like salt because of the eggplant and all them things falling on it. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the rest of the garden to see what damage that happened. We have our asparagus. Our asparagus is currently growing up nicely. It's only just been like a couple of months. Our chives is growing up nicely as well. We go ahead and harvest those at another day. And our potatoes is currently growing up. However, due to all the rain, we have all those brown leaves coming out, dying out. Okay, Sage, so we come by our tomatoes. As you can see, our tomatoes get a little bit of damage because they currently bend. So in as you can see, they bend. This one is bent, and this one right here is also bent. So we'll go ahead and tie them because we already have a stick. We just go ahead and tie them to make them straight. So we're gonna put them like this. Even a tree is broken as well. You see it? The branch is broken as well. So we're gonna go ahead and stick them up. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go ahead and look at our sorrels to see how they're doing. Now you can see our sorrel is currently bent due to the storm. However, you can see the roots is currently still intact. So that means it's still healthy, but we're gonna go ahead and stick it up to keep it upright, so that way it can get some airflow. Okay? You gonna help me?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a bounce. Let's go. Okay, Sage, so now we go ahead and stick them. So we'll go ahead and put a stick right here to stick it, and then we'll go ahead and tie it here. Put another one here to tie to stabilize it. Then we're gonna put another one on the top. Okay, let's cut it. So now we're going to get some compost to go ahead and add it to our corn, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Worms. Bye bye, worms. Oh, goodness, worms.
So we're gonna go ahead and take them soil and we're gonna put around the roots, okay?
Okay. That look.
Yeah, that's a worm.
There were a whole bunch of worms.
Okay, Sergio, so we're gonna go ahead and put our thing in. Our soil, put it around the roots of the corn. Okay, hopefully the corn can recover from the. We'll check on it in a couple of days. Okay. Alright, give me a bounce. Alright, let's go. Okay, Sergio. So now for the peppers, the mistake after a storm is leaving them too long. So we're gonna go ahead and stick them. Okay. Go ahead and get the stick. Okay, Sergio, bring in the stick. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the stick to support our main the tree, but it's gonna support the main stem. Okay.
Dad, this one has so many peppers.
Yes, this one has so many steppers. That's why we need a stronger stick for it. Okay. So we'll go ahead and put our stick in, and then we'll go ahead and tie it. You have a rope? So now we get our stick up. Now you're gonna cut the lower leaves. So go ahead and cut this branch over here. Okay. So we're cutting this lower leaves so that we can get that airflow it needs. Okay, Sergio. So the plants, you see it is bent, but the plants can surprise us after a storm. It might survive.
Maybe tomorrow Daddy stand up.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow it might stand up, but we'll go ahead and stick it. Give it some salt, stick it tight, and then we'll trim the lower leaves. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and before we stick it down, we'll go ahead and cut the branches on this. So go ahead and cut this branch right here. Let's go ahead and get our stick, and then we're gonna go ahead and stick it. Okay.
Stick.
Go ahead and start the plant like this edge. Hold it like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and place our stick right here. Let's go ahead and put it in. Let's go ahead and tie it right here. We're not gonna tie it too tight. We're gonna tie it loosely for the branch not to break. Okay. Okay, Sergio and Zara. So now we stick our eggplant. So our eggplant, we trim up the leaves, the lower leaves or the broken branches as well. And we can see that it can get some oxygen coming through. So let's go ahead and do the same thing with our sorrel and stick it up, cut the lower leaves, the lower branches, and then we'll do the same thing. You ready? All right, let's go. Okay, Sage. So now we buy our sorrel, and we're gonna go ahead and lift up our sorrel, double check it to see if the roots is still intact. As you can see, the roots is still intact. However, one of our branches is broken. You can see it right here. So we'll have to go ahead and trim that off because it's broken. And then we'll go ahead and stick them up, okay? Let's go ahead and stick it. So we'll go ahead and put it right here. Put it in. Bring the cutter for me. Don't go ahead and cut the broken branch. Okay, Sage. So our tomatoes, they bend over due to the storm. So we'll go ahead and tie it. We currently have a stick already, so we're just gonna tie the upper leaves, okay? The upper branches. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do it right here, and then we'll just tie them. Okay, fish. So now you got the pliers. Let's go ahead and cut the lower branches. So we'll go ahead and cut. Alright, Sage. So this storm knocked us down. But garden teaches us patience, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes things break, sometimes things fall. But what we do, we get back up and we fix it, okay?
Okay.
Hopefully in a couple of days, everything can be okay. Right?
Yeah.
Give me a bounce. If you enjoy seeing family gardening and you want to see these plants recover, subscribe to Family Garden Explorers and we'll give you an update.